In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a YouTube video name after you have uploaded it. So if you don't have already, download YouTube Studio on your phone from App Store or Google Play Store and click on it. Then you want to click on content and select whatever video you want to change the name. Click on this pencil icon at the top and then click on title and rename it, and then click save, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.